Hey guys, thanks for joining us here at Alpha Investors Club, where today we will be reviewing Lisk cryptocurrency. What is Lisk? Lisk lets developers create and publish blockchain applications with their own sidechains, and it's an open source platform. Lisk was announced in early 2016. The first release occurred in May 2016 when it was forked from Crypti by founding developers Max Kordek and Olivier Beddows. The platform is written in Node.js, and to join the Lisk network, all you need to do is download the Lisk wallet. Lisk, like other blockchains, has its own in-platform currency. That currency, Lisk or LSK, has a market cap of around $374 million, putting it in the top 15 currencies by market cap. As of early November 2017, the token is priced at around 6.50 USD. Lisk is often compared to Ethereum. Both Lisk and Ethereum are blockchain based platforms that allow developers to create applications. Lisk allows developers to create blockchain applications by creating a sidechain to the Lisk blockchain, while Ethereum allows developers to build decentralized apps in a virtual machine on the main Ethereum blockchain. There are other differences which we'll discuss later. So, how does Lisk work? One of the key goals of Lisk is to make it easy for developers to create good decentralized applications. Here's the process you can use to launch an application on Lisk. Step 1. Code decentralized. Blockchain applications can be built on Lisk from the ground up in pure JavaScript to take advantage of Lisk powerful APIs. Every app runs on its own sidechain to ensure that the core Lisk platform stays safe and scalable. These features will launch before the end of Q4 2017. Step 2. Deploy. The Lisk platform allows for a number of different storage options for blockchain applications. Developers can deploy code in a zip, archive to services like GitHub or a web server. Then, once deployed, developers can register applications on the Lisk platform by filling in relevant information like name, description, tags, and a download link. Step 3. Use. Once the applications are ready to launch, Lisk can operate as a decentralized powerhouse for that application. By utilizing our extensive user base, the official Lisk website explains, and users and developers can find third-party nodes to execute future blockchain applications through servers all over the world in a truly decentralized manner. The application is secured by worldwide decentralized computation of code. Lisk is built on a delegated proof of stake algorithm originally created by BitShares. Lisk is different from ordinary POS blockchains in that only the top 101 delegates are actively forging and securing the network. Lisk DPoS protocol functions through a series of rounds, with each round consisting of 101 individual blocks. How to use Lisk? As mentioned earlier, using Lisk is designed to be straightforward. The Lisk.io website outlines a simple six-step process you can use to get started with the Lisk. Step 1. Create a Lisk account. You'll receive a passphrase, then you'll need to download the Lisk wallet and launch the application. Step 2. Get your LSK tokens, and LSK tokens power the Lisk ecosystem. All actions on the Lisk network require LSK to process. You can purchase LSK from most cryptocurrency exchanges. Step 3. Configure your account. Lisk lets your users add two-factor authentication, for example, to secure access to their account. Step 4. Use Lisk tools. Lisk tools can be found in the Lisk Blockchain Explorer, seen here in the website. Step 5. Get involved. Lisk is a community focused experience where users don't just interact with the network, they are also involved in the success of the network. By getting involved in the community, users can grow the Lisk network. Step 6, start developing. If you already know JavaScript, then you can begin building decentralized apps on the Lisk network. The organization also schedules regular meetups where you can interact with other Lisk developers. The company's selection of APIs all come with extensive developer documentation. Lisk clients are available for Linux and Docker, with Lite clients available for all major platforms. To learn more about Lisk, visit the official development website online today at lisk.io. So thanks for tuning in, and be sure to join our Alpha Investors email list, alphainvestors.club. Stay tuned for our next review.